Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to align text vertically in Outlook table cells. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the composition tools you'll need for creating and formatting tables. Once your email has loaded, you'll want to access your email tools by clicking on the New Email button. You'll find this button located on the top left part of your screen. Clicking it will open up a fresh email composition window where you can start creating your message and working with tables. From the email composition screen, you'll first need to insert a sample table so we can demonstrate the whole process of adjusting and aligning text vertically. Go ahead and add a table to your email. Once the table has been added, simply right-click anywhere on the table. This will bring up a context menu with several options for managing your table's properties and settings. Now, from this context menu, look for and click on the Table Properties option. This is where all the advanced formatting controls for your table are located. Clicking it will open a new Table Properties window that gives you access to various customization features, including borders, spacing, and alignment settings. Once the Table Properties window appears, navigate to the Cell tab at the top. This tab specifically controls how individual cells behave and display their content. Here's where you'll find exactly what you need. You'll see 3 different alignment options for your text vertically under the vertical alignment section. You can choose from top, center, or bottom alignment depending on how you want your text positioned within the cells. Top alignment places your text at the very top of the cell, center keeps it in the middle, and bottom pushes it to the lower edge of the cell. This is particularly useful when you have cells of varying heights or when you want to create a more polished, professional-looking table layout. Once you've chosen the right alignment for your table, simply click on OK to save your changes. The alignment will be applied immediately to your selected cells, and you'll see your text repositioned according to your choice. And that's it. You've successfully aligned text vertically in your Outlook table cells, giving your emails a more refined and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.